if you have some origami paper that's it's typically coloured one side and white on the other side, then you can skip this video and look at the next one. If you don't, then please grab some A4 paper or A5 paper, even better, and we're going to learn how to make a square from it. Here it goes. Okay, so I'm going to take my piece of A4 paper and I'm actually going to fold it into two to create two lots of A5 paper. These are congruent rectangles, so make the fold as best you can so they match, and then push back, and there we go, do a fold. Okay, you can then, if you want, do the same, like fold it back on itself the other side, and if you don't have scissors, you can very gently tear along here and you'll get a pretty good cut. If you do have scissors, I'd recommend you use those just to make it a little bit smoother. So I'm just going to cut very precisely along this line I've made. Okay, and there we have it. Two congruent pieces of A5 paper. Right, we're not done yet. I'm going to put this one to one side. I don't have a square, so how can I do that? What I can actually do is I can bring a fold down like so. What does this basically do? It means that this side, which is this one here, is the same as this side here, and what I'm necessarily doing is making a square, a shape where all the sides are the same length. So just be really careful, put it on the corner, but then make sure it's overlapping as best you can. And now I would just advise a gentle fold here, okay, not too sharp, because this is just to create the square. We'll probably end up doing a fold like that later on, but not all models will, not all origami models. Okay, what do we do now? Well, again, you could fold this one in and fold it back and do a tear, but I've got some scissors, so I'm gonna turn it around and very carefully cut along this line. Okay, so I've created my triangle, but it's folded, and when I unfold it, hey, I've got some origami squared paper, DIY, made from an A4 piece of paper. If we just compare it with this professional stuff that I bought, it's pretty good. Okay, I know it's not coloured, but it's nearly the same size, and we're ready to do some origami with some square paper.